Hello and a very good evening to all of those joining me live on the Facebook page of News 9. Well, all eyes are on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's address. In fact, as we speak, he is currently addressing the countrymen. Let's get across.
हमें ये भूलना नहीं है कि लॉकडाउन भले चला गया हो, वायरस नहीं गया है।
Well, there you heard Prime Minister Narendra Modi, of course, talking about COVID. He seems to be very worried about people letting their guard down. He says that people are behaving as if there is no COVID at all. He also asked, in fact, requested the people to keep their masks up, wear them the right way, also maintain social distancing and frequently wash their hands. Well, here Prime Minister also said that he's been seeing many people around without masks, but do remember, of course, they might think that in many countries COVID threat has subsided, although that might be true, but then those countries also got to witness a resurgence, and of course there were people who succumbed to the highly contagious disease. That's what the Prime Minister here stated, while also talking about the government's readiness to combat with the highly contagious disease. As I mentioned, he said that 90,000 beds are available, 12,000 quarantine facilities have been set up, and 2,000 test labs also have been set up. Well, here Prime Minister Narendra Modi also added that even though there is no lockdown, but that does not mean that one can take lightly the threat that COVID-19 poses. Do remember that India has right now active cases that stand at over 7,48,000. And the numbers just keep on, rising. But of course, on the silver lining is the number of recoveries. If you take a look at that, it's more than 67 lakhs. But having said that, that clearly does not mean that, we can take lightly the threat that COVID-19 poses. We cannot wear masks. We can go out and join parties and, go attend weddings, go attend mass gatherings. Of course, we all know that festival is coming, and pandemic fatigue has also, come in, but has also set in. But do always remember that festivals come every year. Do not forget to take good care of yourself. Well, of course, to speak more on this, joining me over the phone line is Dr. Sitesh Roy. Very good evening to you, Dr. Sitesh. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi there has a very important, has something very important to say. He says that even though the COVID-19 threat has not completely subsided. That's what he says. The numbers might be coming down, but that does not mean that one can take lightly the threat that COVID-19 poses, given what we got to witness in countries where, the numbers dropped. There was, what one got to witness was a resurgence. So is it the time when one, looking at the number of active cases which stand at 7,48,000 and the number of recoveries which are far more than that, would you also say that, would you say that it is time when we let our guard down?
Very strongly recommend to people that they should not let their guard down. In fact, this is the time when, if we do a really good job with taking all the precautions, we can continue to bring the trend of cases which had reached up to 95,000 a day and has now come down much below that. We can really bring that number down even below 50,000, which it has not reached yet. And it is still a very high number, so I strongly would recommend every single person that we are reaching to recognize that this is just a break, it's not the end. And the moment we think it's the end and we start letting our guards down and, avoiding the precautions, the cases start increasing, as we have seen in
which we are, getting to witness largely, Dr. Sitesh, around. Whenever we step out, we see people wearing masks, but not the right way. Social distancing given a complete miss. Not washing hands frequently, not sanitizing hands frequently. Why do you think that the people in India or, in anywhere in the country do feel that this is the time when we can say that COVID threat has subsided? Why do you think is the case?
Because I believe that in the general public domain, there has been a belief that because unlocking is happening, it means the virus threat has ended. They have kind of extrapolated the fact that if you're allowed to go to work or you're allowed to take a metro train, that means that the virus is no longer around. What they're not realizing is these unlocking steps have been done so that the economy be revitalized and can be again stabilized. It's not being done because the virus is no longer there. And I also believe there is some degree of, you can say, lockdown fatigue that people experience. They say we've done it for 6 or 7 months. Now, let whatever happen, we will not do it. So I think they need to just, embrace the fact that we still need to be careful. We still need to wear our masks and wear it correctly over our nose and mouth, do our social distancing, do our hand sanitizing and hand washing, and make sure that we are really taking care of ourselves.
Right. Thank you very much, Dr. Siddesh, for joining us with all of those valuable inputs. Well, you heard the Prime Minister himself there. He also says that this is not the time, I've been saying this again and again, to take lightly, the threat that COVID-19 poses. There have been people who have succumbed to the highly contagious disease. And with vaccine a distant dream, all we have with us, in fact, are the preventive measures. Again, what are you supposed to do? You're supposed to maintain social distancing. You're supposed to wear a mask and wear it the proper way. That is, you cover your nose, you cover your mouth, and you don't cover your chin. I mean, you not only cover your chin, but you cover, your mouth as well as nose. And another very important factor is that please avoid crowded places. Keep sanitizing yourself very frequently. Keep sanitizing your hands very frequently, and wash your hands also the proper way. Thank you very much for joining me. If at all you like this video, do not forget to subscribe Newsline Digital.